Yo, hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. Are you new to Insightly? In this guide, we will introduce you to the basics of setting up and navigating Insightly, helping you manage your project and CRM efficiently. Let's get started with Insightly for beginners, so let's go ahead. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So first of all guys, we need to understand what is Insightly exactly. So Insightly is a popular customer relationship management (CRM) and project management software designed to help business manage their contact, sales and projects at the same time. This is the official page of Insightly, which is basically insightly.com, where you can literally have everything here explained to you. The key features of this platform that it has contact management, lead and opportunity management, you have project management, email integration, reporting and analytics, mobile app and integration. Some of its based benefits, or for example, because this platform is not for free, you have to pay for it, since there is a couple of basically variations of plans. So there is the CRM marketing, app connect service and Insightly all-in-one. They are all paid basically. There's nothing comes for free. And to understand more what are you paying for and what are the benefits that you're gonna get, well, you will have four main things. You will have a user-friendly interface, intuitive and easy to navigate, making it accessible for users with varying levels of technical experience. So we can go to login right now, and I'm gonna show you exactly how does it look in the login section, or the dashboard basically. So I'm gonna log in now to my account, and here simply you have to go through this as well, since in case you didn't have an account, you'll have to remove it or to actually add your number, etc. For me, I'm not gonna add any number. I'm just gonna remove this thing using HTML removal, and there we go. So this is the dashboard, guys, as you can see, and it is very easy to navigate. You have here the home page where you can see your top sales reputation or represents. Here it says pipeline funnel, total sales, number of opportunities by state, says pipeline weighted, total value by opportunity state. I have a full graphics and analytics that explains everything for you. Here you have task. In case you would like to create a new task, you can simply go to new task. It's literally in front of you. You don't even need a tutorial to actually navigate it. You have here contact, you have here, for example, a lead, you have organization, you have opportunities, project, emails, and a lot of things that you can manage just by your own self. Now, as I said, this user-friendly interface is not the only thing. You have also scalability. It is suitable for growing businesses with the ability to add more features and users as needed. It has also customizability, since you can customize anything, add new tasks as I showed you, create new leads, add more contacts, and so much more. And also it's cost effective. Offers various pricing plans to accommodate different budgets, including free version for basic use, and the free version doesn't really have that much things, and it's basically 14 days, so it is basically not a free version, it is a free trial. But yeah, you got the main idea. Also, now let's talk about use cases of Insightly exactly, and how can we use this platform. Now, it has several use cases. We are going to cover each one. The first thing is you can use it for sales team. You can, here in this platform, manage your leads, track sales pipelines, and automate follow-ups to close these more efficiently. You have also good thing for the marketing team, so you can create and track email campaigns, as you can see right here. You can add new emails and make an email templates just by hovering on one of their templates. So you can go here, new email templates, and just create a new email template from scratch. And you can save it, so you can keep sending it or sending it whenever you want. You can also have project managers, so you can here create and add new projects. You can view the pipeline chart, so you can track when it is exactly. So this is basically like the line of our projects and what are the steps that it goes through. And basically when it is here, basically it is about to be finished or basically finished and done. So you can view here completed, not started, in progress, completed, etc. So go on. So you can have a full informations about the project themselves, and it is good thing for customer support. So you can track customer interactions, you can manage support tickets, and improve customer satisfactions just through here. So it is a very efficient tool to have and to maintain for your company. It will help you a lot during your initial projects. It will help you a lot to maintain your CRM and to make massive emails or bulk massive sent emails or to create campaigns. It's very useful. And the best thing about it, as I said, is this reporting system. You can literally have a full reporting analytics system for you without doing anything. Thus, usually during the year, you will be making sales, you will create pipelines, you will create opportunities, and doing projects, etc. And the data from these processes and basically action that you will be doing during the year is actually going to be accumulated through the year. Once the year is finished, you will have here full graphics about what happens. You will have everything in detail: how many total sales you've made, what are the things that you can improve, when did you lose money, what is the best opportunity or deal that you have sold during the year, and a lot of things that can be very helpful. Other things that are very good when it comes to Insightly is the possibility to connect it with other applications. So by going to system settings, you can go all the way here. You will have here user, security, user interface, automation, feature settings, data administration, and finally integration. You can go to app connected and integration list, and you will have here view all integration, and you will find this integration marketplace where you can find literally every single app that can be connected to Insightly. There's various amounts of apps that could be connected. There is Slack, WooCommerce, QuickBooks Online, Magento, and there is 28 more pages like this. So you can literally have a whole various amounts of apps connected to your Insightly accounts just like that. It's very easy to maintain, very easy to use, and it's basically very useful to have as a business owner, or basically to manage your team in a way or another without like creating an app from scratch. You can just manage everything right through here. Manage your project, manage your marketing team, manage your sales team, manage your customer support, and manage everything in your company. And that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. This is how you can use Insightly for beginners. I try to explain the dashboard, the platform itself, what are the benefits, and why you should use it or basically go through it. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.